Hello and thank you for purchasing the HARPSMITH Garren OB-Booster Harmonica. If you accidentally, with a wandering finger, decouple your sliders from behind, it's easy to get you back up and running. Let me show you how to do that. Now, Hohner offers two different types of fasteners for the cover plates. The posi drive, requiring the posi drive screwdriver, and now the new Torx, which is a Torx number 7 screwdriver you're going to need. Remove your cover plates, exposing the top blow slider. So if I was to decouple it accidentally, it would look like this. Exposing the Delrin, the white Delrin base plate, and look carefully and you'll see these little discs. Those are very powerful neodymium magnets, and that's what gives it the attraction and makes it airtight, but at the same time it allows it to slide. So all you need to do is to line up, and you can see the guides here. See the slots? The pins that I mounted on the stainless steel slides nests perfectly in there. And all you do is you just line it up on there and kind of wiggle and jiggle until the magnets actually grab. See? And it indexes and sets back in place. And then I will just depress the push bar a couple of times to make sure that's in the open position. And of course, there's the closed position there. This is a good view to see how the overblow actually works. So when you want to overblow 1, 4, 5, and 6, boom, you close, you blow, and it's actually the bottom draw reeds that activate. Very, very cool. Thank you, Dr. Bonson, for that. And Brendan Power for bringing this to light. Okay, so what if you do that on the draw? The draw is very, very similar, except much smaller, because 7, 8, 9, 10, those are the only notes that are available on the overdraw. So let's just decouple that. So it's identical in that you have the slots, guide pins, and you just simply line them up over that and index it back over here on this brass tab and just kind of wiggle and jiggle, and the strength of the magnets will actually draw it back in. See? Like that. Okay, let's double check that. Replace the blow, replace the draw cover plate, secure with your fasteners, and get on with making music.